guys, welcome. My name is Leslie. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. My name is what is wrong with me? We are going to be talking about the Tatcha Fukuburuku. I can't say it. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Leslie. Today's video we're going to be talking about Tatcha's Lucky Bag. I can't say the other word because I feel like I'm saying a bad word, so I'm not going to say it, but I will put it here somewhere so you guys know what I'm talking about. But anyways, today's video is about the Lucky Bag. This bag is done once a year and it's usually for the new year. I heard about the bag from Tere's Corner. I'll go ahead and link her down below and put her over here somewhere so you guys know who I'm talking about. And also Vanessa Beauty. Vanessa got the bag as well and she is reviewing it for the month of February, so go check her out and see what her journey is like using the products. But today I just wanted to go ahead and do a little unboxing with you guys, so stay tuned. So I did have a little oopsie happen with Tatcha. I did order my box on January the 8th and I got my tracking that my shipment was coming, but then it was stuck here in a city in Colorado for a very long time. So I reached out to them. It was maybe 10 days that I had already been waiting for it, and I know with COVID and everything things have been getting shipped out. They don't come as fast, but still 10 days I figured, okay, I'm gonna reach out to them. It's been in the same spot for like a week now and I haven't received my package yet. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's a carrier's fault or Tatcha's fault, whatever, it didn't matter. I just reached out to Tatcha and was like, hey, you know, I haven't received my bag yet. Is there something that I need to do? Do I need to get a hold of the carrier, or are you guys like gonna help me out or what? So I sent them an email and then it was late past their business hours that they work, and they were so quick. They got to me right away the following day and they were able to send me a new one. I got my items within a week, maybe a little bit less than a week, but I finally received it. I just wanted to share that out there, that they do have great customer service. They definitely took care of me right away. My emails that I sent to them, and then their response was really quick. I was really happy that they were able to send me another package and that I didn't have to contact the carrier, and it just came to me and I didn't have to worry about anything because they took care of everything on their side. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started here with the actual unboxing. I have opened it, just wanted to make sure that nothing was broken, so that's why I did open it. I have had the box now for a week. When you guys see it, I've probably already have had it for like a month. So it's a little bit late, but I did still want to share it with you guys. I like the presentation of it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's a very nice presentation. So it comes in this box here, so you guys are seeing it. There is a little card and then the items are right underneath of it. I do love the presentation of it. They made it look very nice, and you know, they are a more higher end brand. I mean, I would expect them to make it look a little bit nicer just because it's, you know, Tatcha. But anyways, for this box I had to spend $100 on my part to get this bag that's supposed to be worth $100 or more of product. So I did get some samples here, which I love. Is so cute. This is the little card that comes in it, and it just says Tatcha here on the side, and then when you open it, it has your invoice in here and then your samples and then just a little message from them. And then here is the stuff that I ordered. So I ordered 3 things. It's a starter set for dry skin. I ordered the lip mask and the dewy mist, the little dewy mist. I do have one, but it's almost finished, so I did order a new one. And then of course the samples that they let you pick when you have your order. And I'm gonna try to say it, but if I say it wrong, I'm sorry. It is the 2021 Fukuburuku bag, the Lucky Bag. I hope that I said that right. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the items that I bought first, and then I'll show you guys the items that they sent me in the bag. So the first thing that I got a small one this time because I do have other mists to get through. So I just got the small one, but this is the dewy mist, and this one I believe retails for $20. It doesn't tell tell you on the invoice thing they send you, but this is what it looks like, and this is the, like I said, the smaller size of it. And I actually really love this mist. I've had it in the past, so it's nothing new to me. I really do like it. I'm excited to have it. And if you have oily skin, I probably would not recommend that item for you, because if you spray too much, your skin can get really dewy really fast. So that's probably an item that I wouldn't recommend unless, you know, you want to try it out, of course. I'm just saying, for oily skin, I probably wouldn't recommend that item. Then this is the Kissu lip mask. That's what it looks like there. It's really cute, the packaging of the item there. And then of course you open it, and it has this little like spatula kind of thing so that you can get the lip mask out. And that's what the lip mask looks like. Really pretty. I love their packaging. Tatcha has great packaging. This is glass, I believe. It looks really pretty and really nice. It's really fancy. So it's a Japanese peach lip jelly. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know how it smells or anything like that. I do like my lip mask though. You can kind of smell the peach. Like I said, I haven't like opened it or started it out yet or anything like that, because I wanted to do the unboxing first. It's kind of like glossy. You guys can see that on my finger. It's a little bit glossy. You can't smell the peach all that much, but maybe once you actually dig in there you can smell it, but I didn't want to mess it up. But that's what that one looks like. And I'm not sure what this one retails for. I think it might be 30 or 20 or something in there. I'm not real sure. And then the last thing I bought was the starter set. This is the starter ritual replenishing and anti-aging set for dry skin with antioxidant rich Japanese purple rice. So I'm super excited. Rice water and rice in general is just really good for the skin, so I've heard, or for anything really, even for your hair. So I got, oh that's cool, this little card here. It's just talking about the set, and then on the back it tells you directions each step and how to use it and stuff, which is pretty awesome. I do like that. Awesome. Okay, and I love that box looks like this. And then I don't know if you guys saw it, but it did have this on the thing, and then I just took it off, and then it's just a purple box like this. It's really cute, really nice, really sturdy, like a box, you know, would be. You could probably save it and put stuff in there, which is what I'm gonna do. And that's what the inside there looks like. Now I have tried the dewy skin cream, and then I do have another one. I think it's an eye one. Let me double check. Okay, so yes, I have tried the dewy skin cream. This one's the one that's already started. I'm just gonna show you guys this so I don't open that one, so that I use it after I'm done with this one. But this is what it looks like, and I think this is the small one. There is a bigger size of this, and that's what the inside looks like. The cream there, really nice. I do like cream products just because I have very dry skin, so those do work out for me better. And I have tried this one in the past before, and I do like it, like I said. And then the other item that I didn't receive this time is the Tatcha Violet Sea Radiance Mask, and this is also another small size of it, but that's what that one looks like right there. And the packaging, of course, it's so pretty, so nice, and very bougie looking, very cute. So let's go on with the box now. Like I said, I have tried this one, and then everything else in here I have not tried before. So I like, it has a cleansing oil, which is nice. I like that oils really break down your makeup. I know balms do that as well, but I've been using a oil from Fourth Ray Beauty that is actually really nice and just breaks down all your makeup, and it's nice as a makeup remover type of oil. So I'm excited to try this one out. Like I said, haven't tried that one out before. And then we have the Rice Polish Gentle. I don't know, but it looks really pretty. Of course, the packaging is so pretty, but let me see if I can actually take it out of the box here and show you guys. That's what it looks like. Really pretty. And then let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, okay. It's sealed, so I'm not gonna go ahead and open it yet until I'm ready to use it, but it looks nice. I don't know if you guys want to see a video of me using the products, like a first impressions type of video, so you guys see what I think of each item. If that's something you want to see, go ahead and let me know down in the description box, and I will do a video like that. Now I am working on some different skincare right now, so this one I won't be using quite yet, but if you want to see a video on it, go ahead and then let me know and I will do that for you guys. And then the other one is Essence. It says this fluid of 98.7 pure anti-aging superfoods softens, plumps, hydrates, and makes all your skincare work better. That's really cool. That is this one right here. I have one, I think, essence that I've used in the past. I can't remember what the brand is right now. I think it's Sky. It's S-K-I-I. Essence that I've used before. Other than that, I don't think I have much experience with using Essence, but I do have that one and I've used that one. But this one I haven't tried before. This is what this one looks like. The packaging here. Let me see. These are a little bit hard to get out of the box, especially when you have nails. But that's what it looks like. And these are all smaller sizes. I'm pretty sure these have bigger sizes of them. That's what that looks like. It's really pretty. I love how simplistic it looks, and yet still looks pretty bougie to me, at least. And then we have the Silk Peony. This eye cream releases a double shield of hydration thanks to line smoothing liquid silk and moisture locking Japanese white peony. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I haven't tried anything like this before. Very intrigued by it and hoping that it works, because under eye creams are really hard to find, I think, that actually work. I mean, some of them do something, but my under eyes are really dry, so I have to keep them really hydrated. And it has that signature Tatcha smell. If you guys have used anything from Tatcha, you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's really tiny, it's cute. I'm just excited to use it. That's what it looks like right there. Really cute. And yeah, that's what I bought. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bag, which is really cute as well. I love the packaging on this. It just looks so cute. So this is the bag, the lucky bag. It does say lucky bag on there, and I think that's what that means right here. But it says lucky bag right there, and it has the Tatcha like branding there. It says lucky bag is a much anticipated New Year custom in Japan. This mystery shopping event is a special treat where grab bags said to be filled with luck can be purchased at an amazing value. So like I said, I did have to spend at least $100 on the items that I bought to get this one. So if you got $100 worth of things, then they would send you this bag. And it was just during the January. I don't think it is available anymore. I think it's just a once a year thing. And then once you get it out of the bag here, it comes in the little tissue paper like this. And we're gonna go ahead and get it open here, which I am excited about. All the goodies. Let me take out the card out first. Okay, the card tells you what comes in the bag. I'm gonna try to read that word again, okay? Like Fukuburu Kuru, like Kuru. Sudden Intentions is a beloved New Year's tradition. We hope this bag inspires new intentions of self-care for the new year ahead, bringing beauty in every moment. So it just tells you everything that comes in here. So it does have another of the Camellia cleansing oil. This is awesome. And it looks like this, just like the other one in the box that I bought, which is cool. I don't mind getting another one of those. It also has the rice polish in calming, which is this one. I think it's different than the other one. I don't think it's the same. So that's what that one looks like in the packaging. Really cute. I love the colors that they use in their packaging. It's just so pretty. And then the Deep Cleanse, which is this one. This is a gel cleanser, so that is exciting. Get to try both a gel and a oil. Then you get the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, so it does come with a mask as well. I have tried these in the past before. They are so good. I really do like them. I've been wanting to buy the package thing, but they're kind of expensive, so I haven't done it yet. Maybe later on. Pretty expensive to get the whole package thing, so I haven't yet. Let me go to the next thing. It is the Silk Canvas, which I have tried this in the past as well. I have not tried their new form of it. They have a new like serum form of it, I believe. I have not tried that one, but these ones I have before. I actually have gone through a few of them now. I do like them, and that's what that looks like. It is pore filling. I know a lot of people say it's pore filling, and it definitely is. And then last but not least, I got the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which is this right here. It's just exactly like the other one that I paid for, but it's just a smaller version of it. And I'm kind of glad that I didn't get the big one because now I pretty much have like an equal of the big one with these two smaller ones. But yeah, I just wanted to do this quick little unboxing with you guys. I'm excited to have all these things. I do love Tatcha so far, at least from the stuff that I have tried in the past. I do like this stuff. Thoughts on the Tatcha Silk Canvas? I have tried it in the past. I know it's compared to the e.l.f. Putty Primer a lot. They do have some things that are similar. For me, I feel like I do like the e.l.f. one just a little bit more than this one. This one is pore filling, but I feel like it gets kind of whenever I put it on, and if I have skincare underneath of it, I feel like it like crumbles a little bit. So if you have like skincare underneath and it like mixes with it, it creates like these little weird crumbly things on your skin, which I don't like. So that's why the e.l.f. one, I think it's just a little bit better than this one. But when I don't use anything underneath of it, just like a moisturizer, then it works fine. Anyways, let me know down in the description box if you guys want to see a little first impression of the other items. I will definitely love to do something like that for you guys. If you're interested in that, let me know. Also, don't forget to go check out my girl Vanessa. She will be doing a review. She got some different items than I did, so go check her out. I know she is doing a whole month of Tatcha this month, so make sure you go see that. I will link her down in the description box, and also Tere's Corner, because she's the one that brought the lucky bag up, and I was super excited to try it out. So go ahead and check her out as well. And yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. It is pretty short and simple. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.